Hello people of the world, my name is Kelly, and today we're going to be doing a ukulele tutorial for how to play the song Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis Presley. Alright, make sure you get your ukuleles tuned up beforehand. I have this little snark tuner, super helpful. Now this song is in the key of D major, and if you want to play along with the original recording, you'll have to put a capo on the 2nd fret. But I realize that many of you do not have a capo, therefore we will just play in the key of C instead. This song follows a pretty simple form. It's called AABA, and if you're not familiar with that form, basically there are just two sections. A is one section, B is the other section. So it does it does A twice, B, and then A again. You'll see. Alright, so we're going to start out with our intro here. Intro is pretty simple. We're just going to play C major, 2 strums. Switch to G7, 2 strums. Back to C major, 4 strums. You can also use a pick if you want, if that's helpful for you. We're mainly going to be doing 2 strums per measure. This song is in 6/8 time. So here's the A section. Start with C major, 2 strums. E minor. A minor, 4 strums. F major. C major. G7, 4 strums. F major, G7, A minor, F major, C major, G7, C major, 4 strums. That's the first A section. Let's try that again with singing this time. Let's skip the intro. So just straight from the first A section. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Now we do another A section. It's exactly like the first A section, but it just has different words. Here we go. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Now we're going to move on to the B section. The B section has a bunch of different chords in it. So let's run through those first of all. Alright, we're going to start on an E minor. Sounds like this. Let's do 2 E minors. And then B7, okay. B7 is pretty easy to find if you know E minor, because it looks like a little staircase, 2, 3, 4, like this. Frets 2, 3, 4. That's E minor. And then you just move everything up a string like this. B7. So here we go. Let's do that B section again. E minor, B7, E minor, B7, E minor, B7, E minor, A major here, D minor, G7. Here's the B section with the words. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. some things are meant to be. Now we do one more A section. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. So the song goes A, B, A, and then after you do that, it goes B, A, and then there's a little extra on the end. So we've done A, B, A. Now it does the B section again. Let's try that. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Then it does another A section. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Here's a little extra on the end. For I can't help falling in love. One strum on C, one strum on G7, with one more strum on C. You. Let's do a playthrough of the whole song. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin? For I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I Unfortunately, that song is too low for my voice as I am a high tenor and that is a song for a baritone, but mission accomplished regardless. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope that it was helpful for you. Please check out my other videos if you're interested in learning more songs for the ukulele.